Okay, hello. I just uploaded a video about my support on ILO, International Labor Organization, uh, OIT in Spanish, and I'm not supporting any right-wing party. I'm not supporting any Club de Leones. I don't know the name in English. I'm not supporting Coparmex. I'm not supporting any Copa or Cana or institutions such kind of institution that is against workers. I'm not supporting any of them that is against workers, and I'm not supporting any of those committees or whatever they're called in English. Yeah, I'm not supporting anexos. That is, pues terapias, no? My English is not being the tool that I wanted to for this, but I need to make this statement as international as it needs to be, as internationally understood, besides Spanish, besides any other language that I could be using, but I don't have any other language. Well, I'm not supporting any mafia. I'm not supporting David Chavez. I'm not supporting any of my family that is trying to buy my support for any of their stances on being part of Cartel de Juarez that is not already included in Cartel de Juarez's workers assigned by the leaders of Cartel de Juarez, or should I say the CEOs or Cartel de Juarez, because Cartel de Juarez is a drug cartel that is institutionalizing itself by by uh, the UN and the U.S. and Mexican government and any other government that is having Cartel de Juarez in their territory as a legal workforce and as a legal uh, work ¿cómo se llama? Empresa, industria y lo que sea. Yeah. So any stance of having workers be coerced to be voting or being supporting or being into any party, any political party or any party-like committee or whatever is not part of Cartel de Juarez. There's people that can do that, and we are not saying that they cannot, but actually, I'm not the leader of Cartel de Juarez. I'm not the CEO of Cartel de Juarez. I'm part of the workforce, and as far I know, I have no knowledge about me. What is my position? What is my scale on having workers by me, by my leadership in that institutionalized workforce and whatever. Institutional workforce. That's the thing. I'm not supporting any that it's not sides. Um, in I say so because I need to be acknowledging that that is actually a drug cartel, cartels of any sort, mainly drug cartels, are on the way of being institutionalized because drugs are not legal in the whole of drug consumption and production in the whole world, in the whole of the UN countries. We are working for it. We are proposing it, and we are looking for it as activists and as producers and consumers. And that is not breaking any of civil regulations, civil laws. I mean, of civil rights. That is not breaking any civil rights. Civil rights are to fulfill human rights. Civil rights are proposed by any. Civil rights. Civil rights are defended by any. Civil rights are not in conflict with one another. They are completing one another, and that is right wing politics and right wing politicians and right wing politics, yeah, are not the only owners and the only benefit benefiters of civil rights. I mean rights and rights. That kind of lame use of language is been the thing that I've been suffering lately, and that is not something that I want to be uh, defending. I mean, I'm a linguist. I am committed to clarity and transparent way of saying things with data. And if I have committed any misusage of data of my things, the things that I know are not actualized, then please help me with it. I mean, my employers can have me on being someone that is going to be with their help, with the things that they have for it, and even more because I'm ultra leftist, ultra leftist wing. Yeah. Well, to be prepared for what it has to be done. Yeah. A video similar to it or something. One of my sips was doing this for me as a guide. I am trying to fulfill that guide, as in any point, any aspect of what they say, and I'm following their lead. It's part of my culture. It's part of what is most suitable for my case, most suitable for my situation, most suitable for my life, including my sex life, and it's something that is not an availability for any worker or for any person that intends to be a worker. I mean, to intend to be a worker is the thing that I'm defending. Please help me to be a good intendant of my workforce, of me as a workforce, and such. I'm not pretending to be anything that I'm not. You can ask directly to me if I am, or directly. I don't know. I always, yeah. You can ask myself if I have any opinion on whatever they and they're proposing uh, as if they were me, and please make me acknowledge of it. My workforce, my team or workforce that is specialized in solving any of the problems that I could be of complete usage, uh, are doing a great job. I don't hesitate on saying that. I don't doubt it, but I need to have them with me and to have anything that I've done with and for me uh, cons- contrasted. Yeah, I mean, I want to know. I want to know anything.